Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Mel here, and in today's video we're going to do November's BoxyCharm, and the theme is Gold Digger. This has been one of my favorite boxes. So the first product you get is 4 eyeshadow brushes by Luxie. They're more smaller, more precise brushes for the eyeshadow, which is really awesome. They're in this beautiful gold packaging. I love it. The next product you get is a black eyeliner by Jante Blue with glitter in it. The next product you get is some awesome eyelashes by Lashaholic. These are really, really beautiful. And then by Ace Beauty, you get this Grandouise palette, eyeshadow palette, and this is so beautiful. This is like my favorite product in the box. Look at these colors. So beautiful. And big pans too, which is awesome. And I swatched them on my arm. I put them on a really awkward place. Sorry, this is like really awkward, but here you can see they're really pigmented and beautiful shades. And you also get glitter drops by Cover FX in the shade Nova. It's gold glitter. You get this full size product. So first I'm going to start off with the glitter drops as highlighter. So I already did all my face except the powder products because I wanted to put this on before any powder so it wouldn't get weird. So after applying this, I realized it applies probably better with a damp beauty sponge or your finger. The brush kind of made it dry and patchy, so definitely use a finger or a beauty sponge. And this product goes for $44, which is like double the amount of the monthly subscription, which is totally awesome. So it's a beautiful gold shimmery highlighter. It definitely has glitter in it, so just beware, you'll be very glittery. And I like that the applicator's like small, so only a little amount comes out at a time, so which is awesome. You can be pretty precise with this. So I'm just gonna highlight my cheekbones with it. I'm also going to go down my nose with it, and here I used my finger and it blended out way better and a lot more easily. And then next I'm just going to finish my face real quick and then move on to the eyes. So I'm just going to fast forward here, finish with my powder products. Sorry if you can hear my dog snoring in the background. He's really loud and he's like laying on my legs, so I can't really move. Sorry. Hopefully you can't hear that. Just bronzed my face and I went over with blush. What was awesome about these glitter drops is after putting on all my powder, it was still there. It didn't move and didn't budge even after going over it with powder products, which is totally awesome. And here I'm just contouring a little bit. BoxyCharm is definitely my favorite subscription. I've tried quite a few and this is by far the best because it's believe it's like $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, which is amazing. And it's like good brands too, which is awesome. So I just set my face. Next, with a big fluffy crease brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Cinnamon. And this is going to be our transition shade, our crease shade. Just going to buff it in. This is a really beautiful transition color. Just fluffing it in, buffing it out. And then I'm going to do the same on the other eye. And I'm just going to fast forward this so you get the gist of it. I'm going to use that same cinnamon shade, and I'm going to go on the lower lash line and just buff it in. Buffing it underneath the lashes and connecting it up into the crease. Next, I'm going to take one of the Luxie brushes, the fluffier one, and take the shade Rose. And this is going to go right on our crease line and a little below it. Now this shade is really awesome because you can start off with a light hand and like here just have it like a light sheer pink, or you can build it up to be this bright fuchsia pink, which is super awesome. So this color is really buildable. And it blended like a dream, and this brush was really awesome too. I love Luxie brushes. They're always so soft and blend everything out so nicely. So I'm just building it up. I'm gonna do like an halo eye. So I'm gonna go on the inner and outer corner and right into the crease while keeping the middle of my lid without color on it. It's okay if you go over it a little too much. We're gonna be using some concealer. Then I go back in with that cinnamon color and just buff in the crease to blend those two shades together. I'm going to repeat on the other side. So this palette goes for $24, which is awesome because you get 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte colors. So you get 8 big pans of eyeshadows. And this palette is great for fall, winter time. It's warm, fallish colors. I didn't plan on doing a rosy look, but I was feeling it and my sweater kind of went along with it, and I was really into this rose color, so I did end up doing a pink look. Again, I'm just taking that cinnamon color and buffing it into the crease to blend those two shades together. Then I took whatever excess I had left on my brush and just buffed it on the lower lash line. I didn't add anything to the brush. I just used whatever was left already on the brush from the crease and buffed it under my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking a dot concealer on the middle of the eyelid, and again using one of the Luxie brushes. I'm just going to pat that in to set a base for our shimmer. Then I'm just going to spray my brush and pick up the shimmer shade Myrtle and put it right where we put the concealer. So this color is really beautiful, but it didn't really go with the pink. It was a little darker than I expected, so it wasn't really the look I was going for, so I'm going to layer over top of it. So you can skip this step and go right in with the other shade that I'm about to show you. So I'm just going to pat it on center. It's very pigmented and beautiful. I just wasn't feeling it. So I went in with Prime Rose right over top of it. This helped lighten it, make it more gold-like. And then I took the color Poppy on one of the Luxie fluffy brushes, and I'm just blending the shimmer into that rose color. So it's blended and there's a nice gradient. And it helped deepen up the crease, give it a little more dimension. And I put it on the lower lash line as well, buffed it in. And then I took the color Jasmine and put it right on the center of the lid to open it open the eye up a little bit more. I'm just going to lightly blend those together, just the edges. Then I'm going to mix Jasmine and Patchouli, I don't know how to say it, the matte cream and the shimmer cream, and those are going to be my brow bone shade. I'm just blending it in. And taking the Jasmine for the inner corner. This is really beautiful highlight. Then I'm just taking that sparkly eyeliner and lining my eyes. This goes for $5, and it actually is really creamy and smooth. I actually really enjoyed this eyeliner pencil. It was awesome. Oh, if I didn't mention already, the Luxie Luminous Eye Set brushes go for $21. So here I just applied the lashes, which are $14.99. They're very soft, fluttery, and very beautiful. I didn't add mascara because I wanted you guys to see what they actually looked like. They're really beautiful, or easy to apply. Actually, I don't wear eyelashes, but I would actually wear these because they look very natural, but at the same time fluffy. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you really liked it, and please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more BoxyCharm reviews.